If you're thinking about buying a home in 2026, there's something that you need to understand. There's a lot of bad advice out there right now. It's not because people are trying to mislead you, it's because they're repeating outdated information, oversimplified headlines, or opinions that don't actually hold up in today's market. And the problem is, if you believe the wrong things, it can cost you time, opportunity, and a ton of money. So let's talk about some of the biggest lies buyers are being told right now. Number one, you should wait for the rates to drop. This is probably the most common one. Just wait, rates will come down. And maybe they will. But here's what no one talks about. When rates drop, demand increases. More buyers jump back into the market, competition rises, and when competition rises, prices tend to follow. So yes, your interest rate might improve, but the price you pay for the home could increase at the same time. So you didn't win. You just shifted where you're paying. Number two, you need 20% down to buy a home. This one has always been around forever, and it's just not true. There are loan programs that allow buyers to purchase with far less down. Now, that doesn't mean you should put less down in every situation, but waiting until you have 20% saved can delay your entry into the market by years. During that time, prices and rents may continue to rise. So the real question isn't, do I have 20%? It's what's the smartest way for me to enter the market based on my financial situation. Another misconception is that all loans that don't have 20% down come with a hefty mortgage insurance bill. And again, that's simply not true. Number three, just offer more money and you'll win. This is one of the most dangerous ones. Buyers think the way to win is simple, offer more money. But sellers don't just choose the highest offer. They choose the strongest offer. And those are not always the same thing. Inspection terms matter. Financing matters. Appraisal strategy matters. And timelines matter. A lower priced offer with better structure often beats a higher priced offer full of risk. Number four, the market is about to crash. You've probably seen this one a lot. Headlines, social media posts, opinions. The market is about to crash, but here's the reality. Real estate markets are local. What's happening nationally doesn't always reflect what's happening in your specific area. In places like Maryland, Pennsylvania, and Delaware, inventory levels, job markets, and demand patterns all play a role. Could certain markets soften? Sure. But a widespread crash like 2008? That was driven by very specific financial conditions that simply don't exist in the same way today. You'll understand this when you see how many documents your lender requests during the financing stage. Making decisions based on fear instead of data is one of the fastest ways to miss opportunity. Number five, you can figure it out as you go. This one doesn't get said directly, but it shows up in behavior. Buyers jump in without a plan. They don't fully understand financing. They haven't talked through strategy. They haven't prepared for inspections, appraisals, or negotiations. They assume they'll just figure it out along the way. But real estate doesn't reward guessing. It rewards preparation. And the buyers who succeed are the ones who understand the process before they're in it. So here's the truth. Most buyers aren't losing because the market is impossible. They're losing because they're operating off the wrong information. They're waiting for perfect conditions. They're following outdated advice from their dad's second cousin who bought a home in 1977 for less money than most people spend on cars today. They're making decisions based on headlines instead of strategy. And in a market that's consistently shifting, that's a dangerous place to be. At Compass Home Group, over 80% of our business comes from past clients and referrals. We've helped clients navigate over $500 million in real estate and earned more than 800 five-star reviews. It's not because we tell people what they want to hear. It's because we tell them what they need to understand. So in closing, if you're thinking about buying a home this year, don't just ask, what's happening in the market? Ask, am I getting the right information to make a smart decision? Because the right strategy doesn't come from headlines. It comes from understanding how the game is actually played. So feel free to sign up for one of our home buying workshops filled with knowledge that you need in today's market. Visit us at www.chgworkshops.com. Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this video. Please feel free to drop a comment, like, and subscribe to our channel, and let's check out the next video.